How we can install the eCare Pro app? Firstly, we have to go to the Play Store. If it is an Android phone, simply you have to go in the app store. Have to type eCare Pro. Enter. You will see this logo. You will find two apps by the name of eCare, Franciscan eCare. One is eCare Pro and one is Franciscan eCare Pro. eCare, sorry. Simply click on the eCare Pro, install it if it is not installed, and if it is installed, just check that whether there is any update or something. After installing the application, this kind of logo will appear in your mobile phone. Simply click on this. After clicking, it will ask you to log in. Simply click on add account, change school or college if it is, otherwise directly this window will come. It will ask you for your school, college or code. Suppose the school code is HSS ABU. Simply type it here, SHS ABU. Continue. If it is already exists, it will say it is already exists, otherwise it will land us to this page that I'm going to show you. Sophia High School. Enter your username and password. Now your username and password, here you have to mention your type your username and make sure that you are writing as it is. We have sent it to you. If it is a capital, write it capital, and make sure to distinguish the difference between 0 and O, because most of the times we used to do this mistake. We type 0 as O. So make sure if it is 0, type it as 0. If it is O, type. As we have discussed, the assignments updated by the school teachers and authorities will be available to the parents and students on their application. This is how the app of a parents will look like. They have to scroll again a little bit of left. Assignment. Here they can access all the assignments given by the school. They can access and they can view it subject wise. Suppose this is the subject wise, they can view here. Now if they want to view any assignment, they can click on view button. View and download, both options are there. They can either view it or download it from here and can keep it safe, the assignments with them, though it is available on their portals for lifelong. Assignment is downloaded and they can view it from here directly. This is all about the assignment tab. Thank you so much.